Honey, Sarah, come for your yogurt. Sarah, come for your yogurt. Watch, just watch her, watch her, watch her. Like she sit down there, free you. She free your container, and she just size it up. Hi. Sarah. Sarah, what you doing? Sarah? My boy's at school. He's writing the number 5. You soon finish? You soon finish?
One line.
Okay, let's focus and keep going. Good
I
job.
already did the first line. But I already did the first 5 that I do on my second line of down.
That's okay. Keep going. You're almost there. Good job.
Just
Say morning to the faves.
Good morning, Faith.
Turn around and keep
Just
writing.
a couple of family to leave to write.
Alright, keep going. And this one here doing what she does best, chilling. And Mama here working. Oh, hi faves. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. It's another day of quarantine and we're here all busy. Baby's actually headed out to do a quick supermarket run. It's been 2 weeks since we've gone to the supermarket, so I just need to stock up on some fresh things and some milk for Sarah. So he's gone extra early before the supermarket opened to join the line. Thank God he took my advice and went early, so he's at the front of the line. He said only one person was in front of him, so that's good. I want him to focus and try and pick up everything that is on my list that I want. Just here didn't work out as of yet because I wanted to hold things down until we get back and get some work done. So yeah, that's what's happening right now. Hopefully you guys are still doing well and still staying in and being productive while you're in. But yeah, that's what's happening around here. On another note, stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated. If it's your first time to our channel, be sure to subscribe and catch up and keep up with the fam bam. Come show faves what you did. What were you writing?
Number 5, like 5-year-old.
And who's gonna be 5-year-old soon? Man. So he's practicing to write the number 5 this morning. All right, we're gonna pause off the number and do a little activity. And the activity for this morning, where did I put it? All right, tell me what this says.
La Tour Eiffel.
Very good. Stop. Okay, so I want you to write La Tour Eiffel 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time. And then what does this say here?
La Tour Eiffel.
Exactly, but you're gonna scramble it and write it properly. Okay? Write it in the correct order.
Here.
Yes, because it don't spell properly, so you need to spell it properly here.
Like it only like that.
Right. Go and sit at the table. Focus and write it properly, okay? You guys, babe got back from the supermarket, but I am going to sanitize these packages before I touch them and wipe down what I can wipe down and unpack what I need to unpack. So you guys won't be seeing Tyler in this unpacking video because I don't really want him touching anything. So it's just gonna be me and babe right now. So I'm just gonna lightly sanitize these bottle and just show you guys what we get as we go along. Just wiping down these things. So you got juice. So we shop again like for 2-3 more weeks because it's been 2 weeks of lockdown. You got potatoes. Oh, you got juice for Tyler. You got juice for Tyler, which I didn't want, but okay. And he got popcorn because I've been wanting popcorn lately, so that's good. He got Nesquik.
And we got a corner for popcorn.
And let me tell y'all about this frozen fish, y'all. This frozen fish is bomb. I discovered this frozen fish when the lockdown was just about to start. And I had to let him get 2 pack this week. So we got frozen fish. This is another pack of frozen fish. And frozen shrimp. And fries. Because my fries are almost finished. So these need to go around the back. Okay, he got croissants. And of course he got cookies. Good job, babe. Babe got liver. Chicken liver actually. We got more breakfast goodies. And yes, big stack up on chicken. Chicken wings. Chicken thigh. They've got everything. Chicken leg. Good job, babe, on the chicken. More chicken thigh. Oh, he got ribs. That wasn't on my list, but well done, babe. He got ribs. He got mince. Oh my god, he got so much. More chicken. Oh my gosh. And he got this fish. So why he got this fish when he got the frozen fish? Okay, he got more fish. He got M&M. Sausage. Quinoa. He got flour. Oh yes. And this is what I really wanted. Wipes for Sarah. He got that. He got a lot that wasn't on the list, but he did very well. He got compote. Compote is pure fruit for Tyler. And he got Tyler Smile biscuits. Okay, he got more flour. He got 3 packs of flour. Okay, he got apple because I'm out of apple for green juice. Okay, he got juice and I see like 3 of these. He got yogurt, 2 of each. So 2 of these for Sarah, 2 of these for me and Tyler. Oh, he got avocado and I had forget to put them on the list. So he got avocado. Good job, baby. Oh, baby's so good. Oh my god. Yogurt. He got bread. He got more quinoa.
Papa got a bird cookie.
And he got orange juice. Got me ginger. Yes, baby, come through. He got broccoli. He got scallion. Broccoli. That's okay. Oh, he got cucumber. Sweet potato. Got oranges for Sarah. Carrot. Got lettuce. Tomato. And banana. He got celery. Baby, go on with himself, man. He got egg. What is this? Okay, soap for the dishwashing machine. He got pre-made chicken in pack that we love to eat for lunch. He got more yogurt for himself. Oh, he got white bread. And he got jam, strawberry jam that Tyler loves. But yeah, along with that, I'm seeing sweet pepper, milk, and water. So yeah, that's basically all the things that he got. I'm gonna pack them out and wash my hand before I unconsciously touches my face. That's what it looks like. Wow. That's everything. I've been good. That's a lot. It's just that it's the same things but in large quantity. You know, like I was saying just now, it's the same things you got just in large quantity.
Yeah, two things that I didn't get. One thing I forgot is cashew.
Okay.
One thing I didn't find is red peas.
Oh, that's okay. How was the line when you were leaving?
I could get food inside.
Oh,
No,
inside? There's no line outside?
Didn't know there was no line outside.
Okay. You did very well. I'm proud. I'm so proud. I'm so proud. You even buy ribs and liver? You did well. You did so well. I'm so proud of you. You did well. You did. You surpassed my expectation.
You okay otherwise?
Alright, you guys, so let me tell you guys my dilemma that I've been going through. I have an injury since high school, since college days when I used to the track, and that injury been acting up on me. But I rest my leg yesterday and I can't go 2 days without not doing anything, so I'm gonna take it easy and do a little abs. I'm not gonna run this morning because my leg is not feeling 100, so I'm just gonna do a little abs just in time for Sarah to wake up for lunch and get everybody lunch ready. So fun facts, I feel pain every single morning when I work out, but the determination in me just push me through regardless. So no pain, no gain. Let's go. Let go, let go, let go, let go, let go. Work out.
Morning, guys.
He's at work. I'm intruding in his office.
Il en manque, on est d'accord.
Honey, Sarah, come for your yogurt. Sarah, come for your yogurt. Watch, just watch her, watch her, watch her. You know, like she sit down there, she free your container, and she just size it up. Aye. Listen, this little girl love food. She love food. You think I know? Hey, she have the training her remote in me. I watch her, you know. And she said, look how we going go for it. She love food. Look at her. She's a little foodie. And she love yogurt. You get Papa yogurt? And she love dance when she get food. Watch her. Look at her.
Merci beaucoup Nicolas, et puis on est tous de tout cœur avec vous, bien évidemment. Et merci à vous et aussi à vos collègues qui travaillez auprès de tous ces malades. Merci Nicolas.
Je vous en prie, merci.
Pour désengorger les cabinets médicaux, de plus en plus de municipalités ouvrent des gymnases, des salles,
Sarah,
des établissements scolaires, des praticiens bénévoles y accueillent des patients.
Baby, she's smiling because she don't want to take her face from the computer. She expect you to come around. Finish. Papa said finish. With a script out here. Bravo! Yeah! Good job. It finished. Look at your mouth. She's still coming back for more. Look at her tip. It finished. You guys, the kids are taking a nap. I'm going to tidy up this kitchen, pack out the dishwasher and figure out what's for dinner. And probably even start dinner right now. Up from their nap and back to the book. All right, continue. You're doing well. Take your time and focus. Why that one looks different from the others? Because you're not focused. The sticks are supposed to go up, not out. Continue and do them small. The sticks are supposed to go up, not out, and count how many sticks it's supposed to have.
3.
3 on each side, right?
Yes. 1, 2, 3, and 3.
Very good. Do the others. Job here is done. Ooh, sweet potatoes ready. Mince ready. And mixed veggies ready. Voila.
La tête est juste après. Plap, plap, plap. Un grand papillon blanc entré dans la maison de Aya. La petite maison de Aya. tu
Reste.
restes ici, tu seras bien à l'abri.
Do, love me like you do. What? That was so nice? Why my hair look like that? No? Okay. How was your day at work? Hmm?
That was okay.
What did you do
It
today?
finished better than
He-
a
here
hard
it-
start.
When he finish work, it feel good to step out his office and step into the kitchen.
Finish work at 6. Be home at 6. Or 6:01, let's say that. Let's take 1 minute from the bedroom to the kitchen. No, that finished better than started.
It finished better than started because it started lad.
Yeah, frustrating.
Oh, because your thing had stopped working.
Yes.
Ah. Oh, tell them how was your supermarket experience this morning.
That's good. Supermarket today, surprising me, full of goods. Everything's supermarkets are full of goods, so
And there wasn't a long line because you were early.
It wasn't a big line. I was early. I reached there just after 8 a.m. So it wasn't a real line. Got in and out. But some
And
people.
he didn't get any feel up goods.
Yeah.
Because he went in first.
I went in first. I'll be home straight.
So
go
nobody
back to
didn't go there
work.
with the virus, so you can take it.
Hopefully, but well, no. I think that at the beginning, everybody rushing, people rushing to the supermarket, and now they don't rush anymore. They have nothing else to get. After you have 60 pack of pasta, what are you gonna get? 60 other pack every day?
Well, we really
So,
wanted fresh things.
Yeah, they
So
just
we
go
wanted like apple,
and you still see
cucumber.
people that no care. They just go like they're doing their daily outside. Oh, I don't know what to do today. I'm going supermarket.
People just never learn.
So me, I'm going supermarket.
until-
I have a big cart full until I can't get stuff. That's the limit for me. If we were two, I would get 2 carts. But I was alone. I take only one cart. And you see some people not even take cart, just little bag.
Nonsense.
Oh,
They don't learn.
yeah. So
Anyway, you guys,
yeah.
that's what happened this morning, and the kids are off to bed. Tomorrow's the last day of school for Thailand. Homeschool Chronicle. Anyway, the Jamaican expression for today is awayase.
What I say?
That can mean 2 things. What do you think it
It
means?
sounds English too much. What did you say?
Why you are say? It can mean what did you say, and it can also mean
Why?
how are you.
How are you? Wagwan.
Say yo, what you say?
Yeah, say good.
You can say me good.
Me good.
No, I'm me good. Me good.
Yes. Me good.
Ah, yeah.
man.
What's the French expression? What's the translation for what you say?
Sagaz.
What is it?
Sagaz.
Sagaz.
Yeah.
What does it mean?
Gas is like
What's up?
gas.
No, it's me should guess what it means.
Yeah, I
Like
mean,
what's up?
Yeah, I mean, like what's up. You don't say that to us.
Alright, you guys.
Familiar. It's not rude. It's familiar.
Okay. Alright, you guys. There you have the Jamaican and the French expression today. You get it?
Make sure you get it.
Alright, you guys. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new. Catch them and keep up with the fam bam. Love you guys, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Deuces.